we've got a great interest in it.
Mm-hmm.
And so if you want to know more, I know you've given the dates, but on the website, tcbdrones.com, they can go to the upcoming events tab, and it has all that information about the Skyhustle mixer, the Drones and Dollars workshop, and other events that I'm scheduled to be a part of.
So what excites you the most about the Skyhustle networking? Is it, you're going to get to see people that look like you, or is it just, seeing everybody come together that's probably been, spaced out? What's the most exciting thing for you for this networking event?
The most exciting thing is to know that there are people out there who want to be a part of it, really, and to build the camaraderie, build the ecosystem, to get people together. So because we always talk about, building our own lane, doing, supporting. If you have a drone business and then you need, or if I have a drone business and you need drone services, or we just need to be in the same room together so we can see how we can build the network. And so that's what excites me the most, is to realize there are people who are interested in being a part of this mixer and building a network to see how we can move beyond just knowing about each other, but how we can build with each other and do business together and build streams of income together.
Okay, so now in that same week, on Saturday, September the 6th, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is Drones and Dollars. Did you know you were the first to do a free workshop for Blacks, minorities, on how to get into the drone industry? Were you aware of that?
I was not aware, and you have your wealth of knowledge, and you've done a lot of research on these types of events. And what a lot of people want to know, is there a charge for it? And no, there's not a charge for it, because this is what I like to say. It's akin to a webinar, except it's in person. So at that Drones and Dollars workshop, we're going to find out about the drone industry, why it's booming, why it's a global phenomenon, and why it's important for us to be a part of it, because it's like things are happening around us. Technology is growing around us, and we're not a part of it. Most of us are not a part of it as far as building a business and streams of income coming towards us.